Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Makeover Monday. And because I have such an abundance of cucumbers from the garden, today we're going to be making a low-carb, sweet and tangy cucumber salad. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and be sure to check the description below to find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is make our dressing for this. So I always go with a full-fat sour cream if I'm going to do something low-carb. So I've got about a ½ cup of that. And then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You can also use an apple cider vinegar if that's what you have on hand. And then I chose to use Splenda this time. A lot of times I use erythritol when I'm doing low carb, but today I decided I was going to do Splenda. So I'm just going to take a whisk and make sure we get this all incorporated. All right, I'm also going to add a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. We're going to whisk again. And then, yeah, look at these cucumbers. It's so big. I cut it in half just so it'd be easier to work with. So what I want to do now is I'm actually going to cut it in half again. I'm going to cut it lengthwise this time. If I can. I got it going crooked. There we go. I almost got it. Good enough. All right, so then I'm just going to take these, and I've got a little mandolin here. Actually, this is called our quick slice. Is it our quick slice or simple slice? I think it's the quick slice. And it does come with a guard, but most of the time I don't use it. I highly suggest using it, though. All right, let's do the other one. That's pretty good. And then I've also got a red onion here. It's a small one, so I'm going to use the whole onion. I went ahead and cut it in half as well, and we're just going to do the same thing. So right over the top of the bowl. I think that's pretty good. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my scraper here and mix all of this together. Those onions smell so good. And this just looks like a big bowl of summer. So we want to put this in the fridge, leave it in there maybe 5 or 6 hours so all our flavors meld together. I am just going to go ahead and taste it. Just make sure we don't need to add any more sweetener or salt. And I think it's just perfect. So perfect, perfect, perfect for summer. And I hope y'all enjoyed that one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.